Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so tap on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log into one of your apps, and click Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one you need. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then you need to input website data, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner to save your password. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!